Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Roblox. Let's get started. First, open your Roblox app on your Android phone. Then here, tap the three dots or more icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Then, scroll down and select Settings. And from here, tap Security. And under the two-step verification section, you'll see the different options like email or authenticator app. Turn it off and simply toggle off the switch next to the verification method if you want to disable. And once done, you'll see that two-step verification is now turned off for your Roblox account. And that's it. You've successfully turned off the two-factor authentication in Roblox. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.